Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, March 22nd, 2011. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a max potential of 13 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed by our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, I just want to start off and today we were in a very tight range opening, what we call a kind of a range day based off of the overnight price action, the price action from yesterday, and basically when we opened up this morning we were in a range that we had pretty much been in for the last 24 hours leading up to the open. And our signal system, you've heard me tell many times before that it's more for when the market is moving and there's some volatility, and when you're in these tight ranges a lot of times you'll get false signals. That being said, today we ended up having a lot of trades, a lot of cross back and forth, and we ended up with positive ticks. But in these type environments it's very dangerous to take these little micro signal entries, because it's just back and forth, and we more are apt to apply a range day to this process in our trading room. And that being said, although we're going to go through these trades and these are all the signals that fired, today would have been one of those days that until the range actually broke out you wouldn't have wanted to be too involved, and today was just basically a very tight pattern with a little bit of downside as we built support. So we're going to go ahead and run through these trades, but if you sat on the sidelines for a good portion of the day because of the range environment, that would have been a prudent thing to do. Started off, had an opportunity to get long first thing at signal fire. Targets 1 and targets 2 the upside for 7 ticks. As we came down through the moving average, there was another opportunity to get short. Targets 1 and targets 2, 7 ticks again. Both of these signals were kind of mid-range entries, and then we ended up getting another signal to get long, and this is what happens a lot of times in range. T0 minus 14, signal to get short. T1 minus 2, signal to get long. T1 minus 2. So you're starting to get a feel for what I'm talking about. At this point there had been 5 trades and you actually would have been down for the morning, and the market had basically traded right where it's open. That's why you kind of sit on the sidelines during these range environments. Ultimately the market did break to the downside, didn't give us an opportunity to get in until after lunch. Now we call it the dead zone, and volume was light today. Between 11:30 and 1:15, the red area on the chart, we do not initiate any new trades. We wait till after lunch. Coming out of lunchtime, out of the dead zone as we call it, we did get a signal to get short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 ticks, and then we had a signal long right at the end of the day, and that ultimately went up to targets 1 and targets 2 for 7 ticks. So if it wasn't for those afternoon trades we would have been negative. Ended up 7 trades, 13 ES ticks. It worked out for us on this day, but again, if you kept your powder dry because of the range day and just the back and forth price action, or if you traded some of the edge type trades and took advantage of that range, that's another style. But anyway, using the signals as they presented themselves, 7 trades, 13 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.